Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Canva website to a custom domain. This process allows you to establish a professional online presence, making your site easily discoverable. We'll cover the simple steps involved, from preparing your domain to publishing your site. You'll learn how Canva streamlines this technical task, ensuring your creative work reaches your audience effectively and efficiently. Before connecting, it's important to prepare your domain. First, make sure your domain is registered and you can access its settings through your domain provider. You'll need to find the DNS or domain name system settings, as these are vital for linking. Also, double-check that your domain isn't already pointing to another website, which could cause conflicts during the setup. Now, let's move into Canva. Once your website design is complete, head to the publishing settings. Here, you'll find an option to connect an existing domain. Canva will then guide you through a few simple prompts. Crucially, it will provide you with specific DNS records, like CNAME and a records, which you'll need to copy for the next step. The final step involves updating your domain provider's DNS settings. Log in to your domain provider's account and navigate to their DNS management page. Carefully paste the CNAME and a records that Canva provided into the designated fields. After saving these changes, please allow up to 48 hours for the updates to propagate across the internet, making your Canva site live on your custom domain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.